What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about why I believe Ideanomics with a ticker symbol of IDEX will be above $5 by the end of this month. That will be over 100% gains because, as you can see, currently Ideanomics is at $2.3. So if it reaches 5 and above, it will be over 100% returns on your money. And I'm going to be talking to you guys about why it will be doing that and why I believe it will in this due diligence and stock analysis video. So let's get started. First and foremost, what is IDEX? It is basically an organization with many other sub-organizations and companies under its banner that provides tools for commercial fleet operators by selling electric vehicles. Okay, so what happened yesterday is IDEX actually acquired 100% of Wave, which as you can see here on the Wave website, they've signed a definitive agreement to acquire Utah-based wireless charging provider Wave. So Wave is basically a company that charges electric vehicles, and how it works, to put it simply, is there is a charging pad embedded into the ground, and let's say an electric vehicle such as a bus goes over the pad and wirelessly it charges. Okay, so competitors include Switchback Energy and Blink Charging, and both of these competitors are already at a share price of $40. So that tells you that yes, this is an impressive, a great industry, and the potential for Wave under IDEX could be huge, and it could skyrocket, have big revenues, and also therefore cause IDEX's share price in turn to skyrocket because it owns Wave. So why, first of all, is Wave better than its competitors like Switchback Energy and Blink Charging? What I'm going to be talking to you about first and foremost is Wave is the only company, as you can see in this tweet, that currently offers a commercially available wireless charging system up to 250 kilowatts with 500 kilowatts and 1 megawatt systems coming soon. So they're already using these charging systems to provide power, EV buses on routes throughout the US. And now with more exposure from Ideanomics and the power that Ideanomics has, this this is only going to grow and grow like a snowballing effect, and it's going to become massive in my opinion. Okay, guys, so that is why I believe it is the best from all the others. And also Wave already has 7 million revenue, and that is already more than the revenue of Blink Charging. As you can see in this article over here, Blink Charging only had 3.8 million revenue in the first 9 months of 2020, whereas the revenue of Wave was 7 million. Okay, guys, so here is the proof. Wave's unaudited revenues are expected to be in the region of 7 million with a bigger pipeline for 2021, so that will just grow and grow, especially now that it has more exposure and more power under Ideanomics' banner. Okay, guys, so that is Wave, and that is why I believe you're getting a great deal. So the current price, as I said, is 2.34 for IDEX. So you're inside that share price, you're also getting Wave Energy, you're also getting all the other companies that IDEX owns. So you're getting all of these companies just for $2.34. And as you saw, Switchback Energy is huge, it's at $40. So here is proof of that. Switchback Energy is $40 approximately. Blink Charging is $44. So if these companies can get to those heights, so can Wave under Ideanomics' banner. Okay, guys, so you're getting the potential, huge potential of Switchback Energy and Blink for $2.34. So the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is other businesses and organizations under Ideanomics. First and foremost is Medici Motorworks. And this, again, is huge. This is another reason that Ideanomics could skyrocket. Basically, in this presentation, as you can see, is from the Benzinga conference where Alf Poor, the CEO, as you can see in the top right, he presented, and he has said that Medici is developing a line of zero-emission heavy trucks and buses, as well as other types of commercial vehicles in partnership with leading OEM partners. And it's going to have its first vehicles ready for sale in North America in 2021. There is very likely that we will be getting this PR very soon in January, and if we do, the price would simply skyrocket. You look at Solo, you look at Neo, you look at all of these EV manufacturers, and the prices are huge, you know, Workhorse, anything. Okay, so if Ideanomics sends out a PR, a press release stating what's already said in this presentation, but it's not an official PR, if they relay that on Twitter, for example, a press release, or on their website saying that yes, you know, here are the prototypes, maybe looking like these ones, here are the prototypes, the price of Ideanomics will simply skyrocket. Okay, guys, so that is why you should, in my opinion, invest in Ideanomics. Okay, so they're coming to US shores soon. They're going to be producing 6 to 7 EVs, heavy trucks, buses, pickup trucks. Okay, guys, so that is why it could skyrocket. The next thing also, obviously, as I said, this is owned by Ideanomics, as is Wave. Okay, there is also Treeletrik, which is under the Ideanomics banner. Ideanomics owns 50% of this, and I'm going to show you in the same presentation over here. Treeletrik, as you can see here, they're approved EV manufacturer and distributor in Malaysia, and they produce mopeds and you know, motorbikes, which are huge in Asia. There's 150 million motorbikes in Malaysia, and the king of Malaysia has also invested in Treeletrik. Okay, guys, so this is another company that you will be getting for $2.34 share price. You will be getting 50% ownership of Treeletrik, 100% ownership of Medici, and 100% ownership of Wave. The next thing, again, Timios, it's solutions for real estate transactions. You will be getting 100% of that because IDEX owns that. And if you want proof, all you have to do is you have to search Timios Ideanomics. Okay, and I'm going to search that here, and as you can see, Ideanomics is to acquire 100% of it. And the final thing is Solectrac. Ideanomics owns 22% of this. It is the first North American company to offer 100% battery-powered electric tractors, and as you can see, Ideanomics bought this company back in November, and that caused the stock price to skyrocket. Okay, so as you can see, here is November, and it caused the share price to go all the way up to 4.75, as you can see in that little box on the left. So the high when it opened, it was 4.75, and then it slowly dripped. The stock slowly bled, and then it started going back up now. And you know, the result of this is because of the PR, the Wave Energy PR. So people are getting more and more trust. People are starting to come back into Ideanomics. Retail investors are coming back in, and then when this Medici Motorworks PR hits and Ideanomics tells the world that they will be producing these vehicles officially, then I believe that this stock could skyrocket and could shoot well over $5. Okay, so it's already reached $4.75 from a PR about electric tractors when Ideanomics only owned 22% of it. So imagine a PR where Ideanomics states that it will be producing EV trucks, etc. under the Medici Motorworks banner. The stock price will simply skyrocket, in my opinion. So I do think it is a big buy for all of us. Thank you for watching this due diligence video. I do appreciate that. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to share, like, leave a comment, tell me what you're interested in, tell me if you like Ideanomics, if you don't, and don't forget, if you did enjoy, think about subscribing to the Cash Kreator. Cheers.